Lonely at the top.
Lonely, lonely, lonely.
Money on my mind.
Money, money, money.
Don't care whether you're hearing about me in particular.
Oh, call me, call me, call me.
Out there on the road chasing my dream because I know.
No one's gonna chase it for me.
If you want in the jack, come along, they find anybody in the money I want. You're waiting people they talk. To get Asake little love. This is life, man. I want to get to the one. I could take on the waiting I love. Waiting you love. Waiting I love.
Ǹjẹ́ a rí nǹkan tí Asake ṣe fún yín ní kókó tí ẹ fi ń tẹ̀lé tẹ́ ẹ fi nífẹ̀ẹ́?
No man of my missing, no mom, no dad. So no struggle easy, but with that stuff, when it comes to Asake look alike, you know, why is it there? Like there are some things that can't come easily, but now it's coming easily. Only just come. Because anybody working in Asake, I used to appreciate like his manager, Asake manager. Show continue law. That is Asake show. More low show and buying. Like I don't have that money on me that particular, but I want to go for that show, and it's Asake concert. So his manager sent me the money to go for the concert.
Wow.
Yeah, that is Mr. Steve. So that's why I was like, this one that I'm receiving grace, grace from Asake and grace from the management. That is, this is amazing. And the show, do you know how much is that show? I lose hope. I was like, I can't tell him the price. Instead I should check the price and get back to him. I was like, so later I was like saying that, can't remember. And I was at the show and I was recognized.
Wow.
Yeah, that Asake Junior. Even on Coca-Cola post and all, I was recognized and it's so amazing.
Ṣé ẹ wá lérò wípé ṣíṣe bí Asake, wíwọṣọ bí Asake, ṣé ẹ lérò wípé kò ní fa wàhálà?
Ètò ńlá ti dé, ètò bàbá ètò Oyinmomo. Ètò ńlá ti dé, ètò bàbá ètò sẹ́ Oyinmomo. Ẹ pè é kí n gbọ́ná Oyinmomo, 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 Oyinmomo. Ẹ pè é kí n túbọ̀ Oyinmomo, 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 Oyinmomo.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà sórí ètò wa. Oyinmomo náà ló sọ̀kalẹ̀ sójú amóhùnmáwòrán yín. Ẹ ti mọ̀ pé tá a bá ti dé, this is where we add honey to the spice of life. Spice tèmi tí wá jókòó lẹ̀, èmi gan honey mo ti ready. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lórí ètò ilé ni a máa ṣe àfihàn àlejò mi. Àlejò mi wá jẹ́ ẹni tó fara pẹ́ ìkan nínú àwọn celebrity wa, àwọn gbajúgbajà ìlú mọ̀ọ́ká wa tí wọ́n jẹ́ olórin. Tá bá ti rí wọn gan kí n má ti dárúkọ wọn fún yín. Okay, ẹ wá àlejò mi náà. Ẹ wò wọ́n náà. Ta ló kọ́kọ́ jọ? Hello, you carry bag like a pillow. Ọmọ jẹ́ ká dé, ẹ̀rì tó gbé ẹyẹ tí ń gẹ́sà, náà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni náà ṣe rí arákùnrin Fabian Michael tí à ń pè wọ́n ní Asake Junior. Tá bá sọ pé Ọlọ́ládèmí Asake, bóyá ká mú Ọlọ́ládèmí Àmọ̀pẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ tí yín àbí Àmọ̀pé. Àbí Ọlọ́ládé kí ni ti yín yẹn náà?
Àmọ̀pé náà ni.
Àmọ̀pé náà ni. Mo ti fún ọ lórúkọ tuntun ní ẹṣẹ́ wa dáadáa. Kò jọ pé Nàìjíríà yìí dì pẹ̀lú yín o, ẹ wo bẹ́ ṣe ń dán. You are shining.
With this no AC, no light everywhere.
Ṣé ó dọ́dọ̀ tí yín?
Dọ́dọ̀ bàbá, thank God for life, ṣá.
A jẹ́ pé kárí ilé ni, so iye tó kára owó, ó ti kára ẹ̀dẹ̀ tiwa náà ni. Ẹ wá jẹ́ ká wò ta ni Fabian Michael tí a mọ̀ sí Asake Junior.
Okay, quickly let me speak in English, or broken anyone.
Iye tó bá ti comfortable fún yín àmọ́ ètò Yorùbá ni.
Fabian Michael is me. That's and I'm Asake Junior. Of recent, maybe last 2 years, Asake Junior came up.
Maybe ọdún méjì sẹ́yìn.
Last 2 years, last 2 years. So like, boy, Asake. And then at time, if I'm going, I'll be like, Asake, will stop me, Asake. I'll be like, I'm not Asake. I used to Asake in my eyes. Or you don't know what you're saying. So at times I walk on the road, just stop. My motor will stop at times. People pause water on the ground and say, Asake lay say. But me my bumi so pe o lost anywhere by Asake ni say. I be like, she only running. So now at times I'll go to the camera, at times I'll go to the mirror, sorry, and look at the mirror and be like,
lójú jígí ẹ tún wòra yín pé
kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀, ṣé àwọn lè rí nǹkan tó Asake o. So it was one day like that I just go for one concert and they were like, whether it's Asake or not Asake, what we are seeing is Asake. You don't land. So it was one day another day at Freestyle Friday, where dancers used to dance, popular dancers. They now gave me that name, Asake Junior. So I now continue with that name, Asake Junior.
Ọmọ Olúbo ni yín, ibo lẹ dàgbà sí, ibo lọ bí yín sí?
Ọmọ ìlú Akwa Ibom ni mí.
Cross River, Akwa Ibom.
Akwa Ibom, Uyo.
Region yín náà nìyẹn, Cross River, Calabar, same
number. Èkó ni mo dàgbà sí ṣá.
Èkó lọ bí yín sí. Ládùúgbò bo.
Ọjọ́ta
wá ń bì. Ọjọ́ta, kéétu Ọjọ́ta kò dúró.
Ibẹ̀ mo dàgbà sí. That's it, ṣá.
Tó, a wá rí pé lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí ẹ já gbangba pẹ̀lú Asake. Kí ni ó jẹ́ nǹkan ìwúrí, kí ló wú yín lórí láti wá máa ṣe bí Asake? Torí ìmúra yín gan ti Mr. Money ni.
Mo fẹ́ràn Asake, mo like Asake gan. He's an inspiration to me. And like mo jo Asake, Ajo Jorasha, we look alike, like he's my look alike and all. And vibe Asake is just like my own vibe. Both the dancing, both the singing, the action, the acting part and everything. About vibe here, about the page, my vibe, the same vibe like Johnny. Only time come to me, don't be. I'm at the best time that you meet Arawa because we met before. Not one, not two times, not three times. We won't be boy vibe team on vibe to team on. So I just like him as an inspiration to me, an inspiration and motivation to me, and that's why I use the same thing to motivate others as well. So
ṣé ẹ wá lérò wípé ṣíṣe bí Asake, wíwọṣọ bí Asake ni mo bóyá ìwà yín dọ́gba pẹ̀lú Asake? Ǹjẹ́ ẹ lérò wípé kò ní jẹ́ nǹkan ìpèníjà fún yín tó bá dọjọ́ ọ̀la pé wọ́n á ní pé inú ẹni láti rí, ṣé òun ò lè dá dúró ni? Àti pé tẹ́ bá máa dá dúró, ṣé ẹ lérò wípé kò ní fa wàhálà?
Bí mi ṣe wò kò lè fa wàhálà because nǹkan tí mo ṣe by just for the main time. Kò ṣe pé màmá ṣe títí náà ni, just for the main time. Tó bá dẹ̀ ti tó time díẹ̀ ṣá.
Ẹ máa jáde nínú.
But for now, it's an inspiration, like I said, to me. So we should move on, and I'm his #1 fan. His #1 fan. Now I know the Terminator. That is the head of Terminator. Then after him, Asake Junior, I'm the #2 Terminator. So like this now, I'm just like his #1 fan for now, and I'm going to go and would then push anything back. Be the #1 person. I'm going to push meaning. So for now, it's just for the main time. We don't be after some time. Everything but I move out.
Èwo lẹ wá mú ní kókó, ṣé orin kíkọ ni àbí ijó jíjó?
Entertainment gbogbo ẹ̀ ni mo ń ṣe.
Gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ ń ṣe pọ̀ mọ́ skit.
Mo ń ṣe skit. Mo ń jó. Kí ni mo tún ń ṣe? Mo tún ń ṣe modeling. Mo tún hype. Ó pọ̀. It's
plenty. Look, it's plenty. Ẹ wá bá mi yọ gojú yẹn kàlídà yín mọ́ dáadáa pé ojú tá a rí yìí òun gangan ni sẹ́gẹ́mẹ́ǹgẹ̀. If it's time you. Ó ṣàkẹ́, ó ṣàbí kò ṣà. Ó ṣàbí kò ṣà. Ọlọ́ládé mi Àmọ̀kẹ́. Wọ́n rè I present to you. Ó dà ẹ wá jẹ́ kí n béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín, báwo ni inú yín ṣe dùn tó níjọ́ tí Asake pè yín bọ́ta lórí stage tí ẹjọ́ lórí nígbà tó ṣe concert? Báwo lẹ ṣe rìn débẹ̀? Ṣé nípa jíjọra ẹni lòun náà fi nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín tó bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́ tó fi pè yín jáde lórí stage? Torí àwọn èèyàn sọ pé nǹkan ńlá ni o, bóyá ẹ̀ tí ì mọ̀.
Ọjọ́ tó pè mí lórí stage, ọjọ́ yẹn is one of my best day. Torí èmi gan mọ̀ pé ó máa rí máa pè mí jáde, bọ́ mọ̀ pé ó máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀, ó máa wà easy or mọ̀ pé ó máa wà easy or ó máa wà so sweet bẹ́ẹ̀. Àṣé Mr. Money Asake ó máa rí everything tí mo máa ń ṣe. Ó máa rí everything. Ó mọ̀ pé ọ̀bọ̀ yìí one day we'll see. Èmi kàn mọ̀ pé very soon ṣàmú kan ṣe tèmi pé very soon àmà ríra bọ́ mọ̀ pé ó máa wà very
máa yá tó báyìí.
ó máa very easy bẹ́ẹ̀. So mo wà lórí stage bí àwọn model stuff, model like Asake model and Vixen lórí stage. So Asake ti sight mi látọ̀kan. So ó kọ́ gbé mi jáde ni. No, wọ́n kọ́ sinmi lé mi lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n kọ́ rest lé mi lọ́wọ́ pé kí ló kọ ẹni tó ń kọ ní pàdé mi also lọ.
Everybody ti máa ní kò dáàzò lọ.
Mo mọ̀ pé ṣáṣà pé ọmọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe ni. Ó máa sinmi lé mi lápá. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣé ó ṣe mistake ni? Kó tí mi ojú ṣe.
Àbúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹlòmíì ń fara gbẹ́rẹ́ gbára lé.
Gbọ́n bí kí n dúró náà kí n ní sùúrù. Ó kọ́ gbé mi jáde ni pé Mr. Money èmi ló ń gbé jáde. Ṣé ò rí mi dáadáa ni? Àṣé ó mọ̀ pé you are the one following up. I've been seeing everything about you and everything. Wọ́n gbé ṣé kí n dọ̀bálẹ̀ ni àbí kí n fò sókè àbí kí n pariwo àbí kí n jó àbí kí n mọ̀ nǹkan tí màá ṣe mọ́. Kò compose ara mi pé this is a wonderful day. Oh my goodness.
Èní ni ọjọ́ tí Ọlọ́run ti dá.
Oh my goodness.
Lẹ́fi lo swag yẹn. Scope lẹ́lu láàrin yẹn ṣe ń jẹ́wọ́ ni o.
Oh my goodness. Because fara pé this is an awesome day. So after everything máa lọ bá wọn ní backstage. Wọ́n wá ní kí n máa pè wọ́n rí everything pé nice one pé I'm seeing everything. Keep it up. Mo ní ọmọ. This is amazing. That was one of my happiest day. Ìjọ yẹn, mo wẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ yẹn.
Lóòótọ́.
Àbí mo ti wẹ̀ ni.
Iye.
Mo frame kíni mo frame picture yẹn pé eléyìí ó gbọ́dọ̀ wà lókè kí n máa ti bá wọn nílé ti bá jáde máa rí. And mo tún wá lọ ṣe nǹkan, mo tún wá lọ wá nylon. Ibi tó fi simile. Mo wá lára rí. Ṣùgbọ́n ni nobody is touching me in this hand for 1 week.
Àti baby girl náà.
No, baby girl wants to music other side.
Apá kejì ìgbàlá.
This is a pressure for 1 week. For the post here. Manager Mr. Steve Asake is already what comment laugh like it's so funny, but that's a fact, because it's not easy. Very sweet and easy like that. So we frame him for 1 week nobody's touching that hand. And that's how it is.
Ṣé ó ti wá ń bówó dé? Ṣé ó ti ń fi change sápò? Ṣé èèyàn ti ń lọ ATM lọ ti káàdì bọnú ẹ̀rọ tó ń ṣe pé ṣàràṣàrà.
Wọ́n ní owó ló ṣe kókó. So owó ń jáde normal. Most times bá lọ fún show like money shows, outside shows like since you can call the main Asake or call Asake Junior to come and entertain and because the vibe here one be so my funny Asake vibe and all. So many constant show at times endorsement and all, like small little endorsement that is coming up like that. At times collaborations on my page and all. At times I want artists like vibes already like any other thing they are doing like their song or stuff like that, These things are things that are bringing money. Yeah. So that's like last time collaboration with One Bets. Yeah, and collaboration with King Victor Enterprises like he sells foodstuffs and all. And some other stuff like that, both outside country and inside country.
Also outside country, far. Má lọ fà.
Bó tó
ti lè lọ outside, kò ṣe tòsí ló wà mọ́, ó ti lọ fà. Bọ̀dá mi o, tá bá ní ká wò látijọ́ tẹ̀tí mi lè sọ pé ẹ̀ ń gbé àwọ̀ Àṣàkẹ́ wọ̀ bọ́nà ṣe fi sí yín lọ́kàn náà lè ṣe ń ṣe ọlọ́dẹ ní odò. Kí ni nǹkan tí a lè sọ wípé ó dùn mọ́ yín nínú jù látijọ́ tẹ̀tí múra bí Àṣàkẹ́ tẹ̀tí ń hùwà bí Àṣàkẹ́?
Èwo ni mo lè mú ní gbogbo ẹ̀ tó pọ̀ gan. But mo ṣe mọ̀ pé so many connections are coming in. That's it's like be telling kò easy for me. Like normal missing no mom no dad, so mo struggle easy. But with that stuff, when it comes to Asake lookalike, why is it there? Like there are some things that can't come easily, but now it's coming easily. So that's what you call connecting. So that connection, nǹkan tí mo fi mọ̀ pé inú mi ń dùn sí like that's all.
ṣó wá ní ìdàkejì ẹ̀ ṣó wá ní ìjọ́ kan tẹ́ ẹ jókòó pé ó dàbí pé kíní Àṣàkẹ́ yìí ò fẹ́ pè mí mọ́ jẹ́ ń fílẹ̀ jẹ́ kí mi gan tẹ̀lé dóò ẹ ti sọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn pé fún ìgbà díẹ̀ ni àmọ́ ṣó ti nígbà kan rí tẹ́ pé ó gbé yín lọ́kàn gidi gan pé mi ṣe kíní ìmọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ kò eléyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí jẹ́ bá wọn fílẹ̀ ṣó ní irú ẹ̀.
Yeah, so many times like that. Ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ so many times. Ìgbà mi gan tí bá jáde gan tí bá rí àwọn boys àwọn máa bùn mí so àwọn máa disturb like bá jáde wọ́n máa stop mọ́tò wọ́n máa stop me as in mi máa ń tẹ̀wọ́ nígbà mi. Máa dà pé ọmọ wetin dey sup be like say I go leave this thing o this wahala too much. Ṣé bí Àṣàkẹ́ ṣe máa tẹ̀wọ́ lélẹ̀
bó náà ṣe máa ń rí rèé.
Ọmọ which kind stress be that? Ìgbà mi gan tí bá jáde nígbà mi àwọn máa gbọ́ different names like fake Asake, Aba Asake,
Ìkòròdú Àṣàkẹ́,
Sekwada Asake, Ìkòròdú Asake. Mani, something they already saw like this. Mama Tana, everything now close, Jerry. Don't worry, leave am. So far say I know what I'm doing and where I'm going to. Let me keep on pushing. So many things like that. But my come and push and be my ro kúrò.
Tó ẹ wá jẹ́ ká wò ní ẹnumọ́jọ́ mẹ́ta yàrí pé púpọ̀ nú àwọn celebrity àwọn gbajúmọ̀ wa ni wọ́n ti ní àwọn èèyàn tó ń ṣe bíi tiwọn àti rí látọ̀dọ̀ Sabinus ẹ̀yìn Àṣàkẹ́ àrí látọ̀dọ̀ Shaggy àrí látọ̀dọ̀ even Mohbad tó dolóògbé ṣé ẹ̀yin lérò wípé kò ní fa àkóbá fún àwọn celebrity yìí gangan because bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ pé ẹni yóò bá lówó Àṣàkẹ́ senior yóò pe Asake Junior nígbà míì náà Mr Money á wò pé owó t'Asake Junior yẹn gbà náà bóyá ó níbi tó máa di ṣé ẹ rò bóyá ó máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn táwọn tẹ́ ń hùwà bíi tiwọn tí wọn ò ní bínú sí.
Okay, like one other person like that example of this kọ́tẹ́ sọ yìí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́nìkan tó ń pè ní Zazu bí ẹnìkan tó jọ Zazu ń gbà yẹn so mo boy is my guy, is my friend. He's a skit maker and also he's a comedian sha. So ó dà pé ó lọ ṣe show kan ní Ireland. Pẹ̀lú ṣe DJ Chicken or something like that. DJ Chicken so wá fa wàhálà pé DJ Chicken my friend. Wá lọ gbé fakes as well or something. So ó fa wàhálà yẹn ní ò fẹ́ anybody tó máa jọ òun tó máa ṣe bí tòun. So ó ṣàfà wàhálà. Ó dà pé Zazu bá ọbọ yẹn ó nà. Everybody want to all the people want to this guy just resemble you and is pushing you or something. So blast Zazu ni okay. Could live life here. Be is a normal thing. Be won't call shape. Be come along. No, Zazu is not someone that they know, but now to calm down. Nick bang. If anything, any my very rip or something. One way live your life. I live my life. But won't come try like won't be. Come out of show, but ìyẹn kàn ṣe tòun as normal entertainer, but because it looks like him, it might be easy for him.
Láti fi jáde sí gbangba.
Yeah, so one be okay since they live your life, I live my life. So I believe so many entertainer like I have OBO, twin OBO, that one is my guy. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi no. So ìyẹn sìn bó wọn ṣe ń live life tòun yàtọ̀ sí bí mi ṣe ń live life tèmi. Èmi sìn I'm an hype man. Òun sìn is a content creator.
Okay.
So a content creator, is a content way, not in a singing way. Okay. So, content, the video I'm an artist, a content creator, but on promote the video, or don't promote So it's a different thing entirely. So it means I'm an hype man. If I love show or something, I want to sing Ashake's song, which Asake knows that this guy is an hype man. Even his manager, all of them knows. So it will not be easy for them to be singing Ashake's song now. I should not sing Ashake's song. I want to hype and sing along. So it's about the vibe. See, ben, Asake long scoring. So to me, I feel like he's a mentor to me. So I'm trying to like promote and do some other things that will make him. You'll be smiling wherever he is because he's making his money. And I'm not trying to like. Do other things that will no, it's not possible. I'm doing it because I'm an entertainer, so I have to continue even though I look like him. Okay. So I don't know about Muhammad by any other entertainer like Sabinus. So that way Sabinus look like that way is a content creator. Content creator, but come and live here somehow. because I don't know if he has other things like me. He have other things to do.
Tẹ́ bá lọ́nà oríṣiríṣi tó wo tí wọ́n bí kan bá tiẹ̀ ṣe kinní ìkejì agbéra.
Yeah, kò ṣe pé mo try láti, so I don't know about others, sha.
Tó. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ̀yin mọ obìnrin àkọ́kọ́ tó kọ́kọ́ jó lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà yìí? Obìnrin tó kọ́kọ́ jó lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà yìí.
Tó kọ́kọ́ jó. Káfílì mímọ́.
Tó kọ́kọ́ jó.
Àbí? Ta ló kọ́kọ́ jó? Is it not Káfí?
Ẹ tún bí mi. Wọ́n tún ní is it not?
Káfílì mímọ́.
Ó dà, ẹ jẹ́ kí n béèrè pé ṣé ẹ̀yin mọ ọkùnrin tó kọ́kọ́ lùlù lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà?
Ṣé sùn? Ta ló kọ́kọ́ lùlù?
Ẹ̀rùmọ̀ yẹn náà ó dà. Asake Junior wọ́n ṣì wà ń kálẹ̀ tí orúkọ wọn jẹ́ Fabian Michael. Èmi tẹ̀ sí fún wọn nìní. Ilé ìtàn máa gbé lọ láti bí wọn máa gbé lọ ni àti sọ di Ọlọ́ládémi Àmọ̀pé. Ṣé Àmọ̀pé lẹ́fẹ́ àbí Àmọ̀kẹ́?
Kí ni mí ní Àmọ̀pé yẹn?
Òun bá mo fẹ́ tún fákọ́ ìbọn báyìí lọ ṣàánú. Ẹ mọ̀ ọkọ ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ comment section. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ìwé kí ni ìtumọ̀ Àmọ̀pé àti Àmọ̀kẹ́. So that wọ́n wá mú kan. Ẹ̀yin á wá mú kan tó bá ti ká comment section ẹ̀ pé dà eléyìí ni ohun mi ò káwà gan lè mọ àwọn tó ń bá wa fẹ̀mí bá lọ. Ó dà lákòótán ní pátápátá. Ǹjẹ́ a rí nǹkan tí Asake ṣe fún yín ní kókó tí ẹ fi ń tẹ̀lé tẹ́ ẹ fi nífẹ̀ẹ́ àti pé tẹ́ bá ti wá ń sọ ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ vibe Asake fún wa kálí mọ̀ pé original gan làwa gan gbé wa pé kò tó ṣe copy tí yín gan látúgbé sórí ìjókòó photocopy nínú photocopy.
Ọlọ́run. Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ mọ̀?
Ṣé ó ní kókó nǹkan kan tó ṣe tí ẹ fi nífẹ̀ẹ́ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ̀ tẹ́ fi wò pé mo ríra mi bí Asake àbí nígbà tẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jọ́ táwọn èèyàn lẹ́ẹ̀jọ́ lẹ̀ fún wa wò pé kò jẹ́ máa ṣe bí Asake?
As in from beginning, Asake is an inspiration, like I said to me before. Kitomo pe mojo Asake is an inspiration to me. So, but mama pe mojo Asake, wọ́n rí tó fi sọ pe mojo Asake. Then from there, as I won't lie to you, so many things started changing. Conversations changed, like nǹkan tó lọ smoothly, like different connect and all link ups and all. You know, and I know he has done a lot for me. True, even if okay, me and Asake maybe will never do at least one or two, at least that's
connection,
resemblance alone has given more connect and all. So I will just, that's why anytime it's about the post, my tag Asake, I'm so grateful. My boss is there. Always. Like anything that even I go for any show or any concert or anything, I'll just tag him there, make him know that I'm so grateful.
Ṣó máa wá fún yín níṣẹ́ pé ó pè pé mi lè lọ bí báyìí wọ́n ní ìdí èèyàn ìwọ wà lọ. Ṣó máa ń pè yín sírú ẹ̀?
No.
Kò tí máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀ àmọ́ á rí bẹ́ẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run.
Oníjọ́ kan kò sẹ́yìn bọ̀ tó mọ kí ni ìṣá kíkọ. I used to appreciate like his manager, Asake manager. Show kan tí mo lọ, that is Asake show. This Asake concert that he did at Ireland. Mo lo show yẹn gbà yẹn. Like I don't have that money on me that particular, but I want to go for that show, and it's Asake concert. So his manager sent me the money to go for the concert.
Wow.
Yeah, that is Mr. Steve. So that's why I was like, this one that I'm receiving grace from Asake and grace from the whole team.
Management
that
team.
This is amazing. And the show, do you know how much is that show? The show, I think regular is 104,000. Yeah, but that particular time, I don't have that. But he sent me more than 104,000. He sent me extra. I guess it's 110, 120. It's actually the many one. So I'm just using this to like appreciate him. Because I don't, it's even, I lose hope. I was like, I can't tell him the price. Still, I should check the price and get back to him. I was like, so later, I was like, saying that can't remember. And I was at the show. And I was recognized.
Wow.
Yeah, that Asake Junior. Even on Coca-Cola post and all, I was recognized, and it's so amazing.
Ó ti wá dà níbi tí abade náà mo fẹ́ fi àsìkò yìí sọ wípé lágbára Ọlọ́run iṣẹ́ tẹ́ ń ṣe kò ní díṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín náà tún máa lọ sókè àdẹ ní rí ogun wàhálà láti ọ̀dọ̀ aláṣẹ àti olùdarí iléeṣẹ́ AK Media Studios tí wọ́n ṣe agbátẹrù àti onígbọ̀wọ́ ètò Oyinmomo. Wọ́n ní kí a gbé ẹ̀bùn ráńpẹ́ yìí fún yín pé kẹ́ má bínú òpó kéré o ẹ̀yin náà lè wá káwa náà má ṣọwọ́ kú dúró sí yín pé ẹ ṣeun o.
Adúpẹ́ ilé pọ̀ is plenty. Níbi ìjì tẹ́bi títí wọ́n yìí.
Carry.
Ṣègùn Adúpẹ́. I really appreciate.
You appreciate ẹ dẹ̀ fẹ́ máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Àgbóhùn Àṣàkẹ́ lẹ́nu yín àtúnfún yín lórúkọ Lọ́lándèmí àmọ̀ pé àtúnrí nǹkan kan sọpọ́ fún time blessing time ilé ẹ fún wa l'Àṣàkẹ́ jẹjàre ẹ̀yin odidi àìpá.
Lonely at the top.
Gbẹ̀ngbẹ̀ngbẹ̀ngbẹ̀ngbẹ̀ rárá ti DJ Ṣíkì mọ́ mọ́ Àṣàkẹ́ gangan ní kájá àkọ́bá.
Lonely at the top.
Lonely.
Money on my mind.
Money.
Don't care what I hear about me in particular.
Oh, call me.
Out there on the road chasing my dream because I know.
No one's gonna chase it for me.
If you want to just come along, they find anybody in the money I want. Really waiting people they talk. To get Asake little love. This is life and I want to get to the one that could take and do it in the love.
Waiting you love. Waiting I love. Waiting I love. I go do everything I
Go no be vodka.
Eba.
Ginger. When I'm on the waist time. Honey ginger.
Hey, ginger. Ẹ sáré fún wa ní mẹ́fún. Jó hada. Nínú gbogbo orin Àṣàkẹ́ mo like mo ní special interest nínú jó ayé ẹ fún mi ẹyin sókè.
Àní ṣó wa.
Jó wa.
Tó bá wa.
Jó.
Kó jáde síta.
Jó ẹyin ṣojú rẹ̀ là. Jó.
Èmi Godzilla. Maradona. Chula. Emmanuela.
Jó wa. Ìjọ ìgbọ́ ẹ̀ tuntun mọ́ Àṣàkẹ́. Mi ò fẹ́ wà.
Jó wa.
Àṣẹ lápapá entropy kánà ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ wọ́n pè é.
We are done the item tètè marijuana. Joanna Juba Dibia ọmọ Ghana. Oúnjẹ Oblango fún mi a gbé lọ Skoda. School ní guy.
Àṣàkẹ́ pàmàlọ́. Ọlọ́ládé mi àmọ̀ pé ká tó sọ bí di club báyìí.
Mo ní best stop.
Ká tó sọ di club náà ni mo ṣe ní kẹwàá màlọ́.
Ṣé ká ti kọ́ mi nàbí?
Ẹ wo lẹ fẹ́ fún wa.
2:30 fẹ́ lù.
Bóyá kàdé lọ ìrànú ìyẹn àmàjẹ̀rẹ̀ díẹ̀.
Happiness.
A máa sọ bí di club last yìí o. A máa sọ bí di club last yìí. Ayé yọ ẹ máa rí ẹ lọ orí ayélujára kẹ lọ tẹ orin Àṣàkẹ́ sí kẹ máa gbọ́ lọ́ntì yín nìyẹn. Ẹ̀yẹ yọ wá níbi tí a máa fi àdàgbà ètò rọ̀ sí ibi tí a ti máa fa o. Cotton lélẹ́yìí tí a máa sọ pé ẹ ṣeun ẹ kú gbogbo ìgbà wa. Ẹ kú gbogbo ìgbà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń bá wa wò ó. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́ náà àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Iná kò ní tán owó yín lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọwọ́ tí ẹ bá fi mú sápò kẹfì ra dátà owó lẹ máa yọ jáde ńbẹ̀. Torí tí ò bá sí dátà báyìí tí wọ́n ti ní dátà ló ń fún wa ní ẹ̀mí. Ìgbà míì gan yẹn ó kó gbogbo wàhálà Nàìjíríà yìí gan. Kọ́lọ̀ jẹ́ a máa ní dátà ni. Torí lórí dátà yẹn hypertension lè mú yàn àmọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣe jẹ́jẹ́. Orúkọ tèmi ò yípadà Olúwadámilọ́lá ọmọ Ọbánirẹ́ ká tún fi ire àti ìdùnnú àti ayọ̀ ká fi pàdé lọ́jọ́ mi. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mo máa ń sọ fún yín this is where we add honey to the spice of life. Oyinmomo náà lètò ètò l'Oyinmomo ó dìgbà kan náà.
Oyinmomo.